Hi everyone, I'm Heather Wen, a retired nurse practitioner and the founder and practitioner at Arizona Healing Alternatives. On this channel, you'll find several videos, what I like to call aha moments, where we'll be discussing issues that impact your health. So whether you decide to use Western medicine, alternative medicine, or even a mix of both, I'm passionate about you knowing what your options are. For today's aha moment, I'm going to be talking about that difference between vertigo and dizziness, and specifically I want to show you a vertigo correction that you can do at home, because there's differences between dizziness and vertigo. We'll talk about that, and we'll talk about what to do in a very simple at-home technique that you can do to hopefully help stop vertigo. Stay tuned. So what are the differences between vertigo and dizziness? Well, aren't they the same thing? Actually, no, they're not. Dizziness can happen at any particular time. One of the most common reasons that dizziness happens is when we go from a sitting position to a standing position. That's actually called orthostatic hypotension, meaning that the blood pressure drops when you stand up and all of a sudden you can almost feel kind of dizzy and see kind of black or flashes or things like that. That happens, it's positional. So when you're sitting or standing or things like that, it can happen. Or dizziness can just happen in general. Let's say you haven't had anything to eat or you're dehydrated, something like that, where you just feel a little off. Well, that's actually very different reasons for that, but also that's different from vertigo. Vertigo happens to be a middle ear problem or inner ear problem, and it can be for various different reasons, things like from medications to, sometimes people have vertigo after they have an upper respiratory infection, a cold, a flu, something like that. It messes with the middle ear, and also there's some crystals in that middle ear that help with balance. So what it does, and it causes some very different symptoms. People describe it as they feel like there's almost like an aura or something that happens beforehand where they just feel kind of fuzzy, and then the room oftentimes will start to spin. Well, what do I mean by that? Isn't it the same as dizziness? No, it isn't. Room spinning means visually you see things spinning, which can make you feel nauseated, it can make you throw up. And then after you have that episode of it spinning, many people can't even walk. They have to sit down, and then sometimes they have to shut their eyes, and you can actually visually see their eyes darting back and forth because that's what they see. Very uncomfortable, very difficult to deal with. And for some professions, it's actually, they try to change that pressure in the middle ear, and they try to do things. Sometimes a little chiropractic move can help, and sometimes it can hurt. So there's various different causes, various different things that you can do. But what I want to show you today is I want to show you a very simple thing you can try at home that will reset those little crystals in the ear. And I'm going to show that to you on a live person. Very exciting. So I'm going to show you that, and you can try it at home first before you try other things, because for vertigo, oftentimes they were using things like anti-nausea meds, things to try to help. But this is a really quick and easy technique you can do at home, see if it helps, and go from there. So here we go. So today, I have with me Manny Chazen, who's going to help me with a couple of videos. Manny is amazing, and he is the owner and the founder of Work Hard, Play Hard Marketing. So all I can tell you guys right now is if you need stuff for promotional products, you need your logo on something, whatever it is, a banner, he's helped me so much, and he's an amazing guy to work with. And now he's going to be somebody we're going to work on today. Manny, is put your chin to your chest, and what this is going to do is help reset those crystals in the ear. Then go back up. Then put your head back as far as you can, eyes up as far as you can, then back to this neutral position. Turn your head to the right, back to the neutral position, head to the left, back to the neutral, and then go straight down to your left side. So on your left side, then what you're going to do is roll over to your back. Perfect. Then eyes are open at first, but now I want you to close your eyes. And it's helpful to have someone assist with that as we turn your head to the right as far as you can go, but gently. Then eyes open, then eyes closed again, then to the left side, then eyes open to the neutral position, and then I'm going to help you put your chin to your chest. So this is what it helps to have somebody do that. And then back down. Good. Then I want you to roll to your left side and sit up. Sit up, and now take 5 deep breaths. Deep breath in and release. Another deep breath in and release. Deep breath in, release. We're going to do this 5 times. Deep breath in. Good. And then again, deep breath. And then you start the whole sequence again, which we won't do, but you'd start it back with the chin to the chest and then going back. So what you would do is you do this at home. Hello. You do this at home 5 times. And after you do the 5 times, now if you're in my office, I'm going to be doing the muscle testing to check how many times you need. So I would be asking, say, do you need 1 more? Do you need less? You know, do we keep going? The answer would be yes or no. But do it, if you don't know and you're doing it yourself at home, then simply do it the 5 times and then see how that feels to reset those ears and the crystals in the ears, so hopefully you won't keep experiencing vertigo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helps you, especially with that vertigo. Definitely seek out help if it's continuing. There's lots of different treatments, everything from acupuncture, chiropractic. I have dizziness and vertigo corrections and what I do in applied kinesiology. Whatever, if this doesn't help at home, whatever helps, please do that. If you like what you've seen, you can hit the subscribe button. You can also leave any comments in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Also, you can hit the notification bell and anytime new videos come out, you'll be notified.